Hello, kamusta? Ako, okay lang. Medyo busy. Alam mo, 2 years ago, I almost stopped singing. I almost gave up my dream. Tinanggap ko lang na may mga bagay talaga na hindi para sa'yo. Kaya mo yan, sabi nila. Well, not if you're broke. Yung minsan, it's not working anymore and it's time to be practical. Yung desk job, ganun. So, na-realize ko na life is a lottery. It's a game of luck. Not everyone can win the jackpot prize, pero may mga consolation and minsan okay na siya. As long as it's fulfilling and may naitutulong ka sa kapwa mo. Anyways, yun lang. Ingat ka. Bye.